or my education or my insights. But Eugene, the woman say, me little knowledge about construction, they say.
Okay,
oh, construction is my say, oh, your project, Eugene. Na Ujawa, oh, coming back, you care a different cost too.
Oh, sure, then there.
It is a cabesmack at the video in the bar. And you better answer wall now, you have 2 hours from home. Okay, be serving as what's a one. We know I
make in a cost for because we now a friend say
mesh.
Yes, mesh we
have to change it. It's you say was as on my profile Zuba de Baye Quaya Astroturf projects no about my name. Any the reason and the rationale behind it. Say you know per minister interview the man budget allocation pool has been a problem. It's just a scar from the government even though it's a government the constituency but skasam Eugene now yes a bad way who mobilizing funds to start na say near cost I better come before we will get this in a good shape. It's as on mine. The Benny Beba realization say, yes, a cup project. Per the rationale, I didn't a car project. No, I was say you drew the needed destination. Because Eugene say, I do yeah, initial commencement and I said timer you starting and you Eugene. Can you feel now the MP will be now thinking about 20% allocation at the abandoned project or the legacy project under the district assembly command fund. By now this allocation would be doing something different. And it will be doing something different about poor constituency no. But saying because as on mine you want abandoned attitude. Yet me a name. Adiama abandoned project in T. You abandoned project. You consider the consequences. You abandoned project. You consider the cost. Yes, back. You be in care. Meanwhile, the initial project setup no you allocate cash at the master project no. And I'm very happy sir minister say the contractors they are going to review the contractors and to assume say way ever maintain that is going to be based on the review the entire or abandoned project no. And I think say a good call because as on mine yet me and we can be marking time always. We are complaining about how our clubs ain't me logging horns against the North Africans. Many can say every major competition next year baby room do one because of Morocco. Because there is adequate training facilities are fit for purpose. And they try to take the government of Morocco together with the president of the Football Association. I said, Omudu that stage. And Timino say major tournament be next season Morocco ne host. Even after the United 2026 World Cup, it is being reported say, Biana Morocco, Portugal, and Spain, you have combined a host World Cup. I didn't hear because they have adequate and fit for purpose training facilities. It is on mine. Looking at the rationale as you body to you bet me Astroturf do na ewo on mine no. Now say ki stay focused. Now say ki stay focused because emphasudie wo be bre wo ho anako mine no ebet me benefit. Anya bi mpokra no de minim ne say the Kokwase AstroTurf etimi honor female Premier League games. It's a chance as a facility no wa. It will have something better to do. I will promote football in the country. It's the best government appointees, football appointees say the AstroTurf project na won mining no. It shouldn't die off. Dear, it was a region. And penny for Emma or money and Pohono or Manasi and Yentia. And I'm really happy, say the honorable member, I am friend honorable Onyina a champion say the government has now taken off the hands our such project. Until I hope said the constituencies will take it up and region or make me do the destination starting off this project.
Mami first dano Emma Doctor Nana Kwame Eduna